Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I want to show you how to download and install Cloudstream application to your Android TV without a download application. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you have an Android TV or a TV with an Android operating system and want to download the Cloudstream application without using the downloader, that is exactly what you should have to do. Now, what we are going to be using is this application called APK Time. Now, your question might be, how do you install APK Time to your Android TV without downloader? In the description of this video, I've added a short link or a short video that is going to guide you on how to install APK Time to your Android TV without a downloader application. So please check it out. So after installing the APK Time, just go ahead and launch it. And this is how it's going to look like for your very first time. We're going to be using this application to get the Cloudstream application. So what you have to do, go to a category that says entertainment. There are lots of applications here, but we are looking for the Cloudstream. So what you have to do, browse down to the option that says Cloudstream over here and click on download. Once you click on download, the application is going to start downloading to your Android TV. Now I just want to note, this is only going to work on Android TV or a TV with an Android operating system. If you are using a smart TV like a Samsung Smart TV with Tizen operating system or an LG TV with Webos or Hisense with Vida, these options are not going to work. It's only going to work on a TV that has an Android operating system. You'll be able to install this application to it even without the download application. So just go over here, click on download, and then wait for a couple of seconds for the application to completely download to your Android TV. Once it's done downloading, then you can go ahead and install. So just give it a second. Now the speed depends on your internet speed. Mine is not that fast. If you support my YouTube channel, I might get a faster internet. So once the application is done downloading, just go here and click on install and you're good to go. That's how to install this application to your Android TV without using downloader. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.